Hi there! I wanted to give you a really quick tour of the Fit Studio because there is so much included, and whether you are a new client trying to figure out how to use the apps or you're somebody thinking about doing the Fit Studio, this is going to tell you everything that's included, how to navigate it all, what's it going to be like once you sign up. So let's get to it. So the Fit Studio is completely virtual through these two different apps we use, and I will show you both of them. But this one here that says BOD is for all of our workouts and our meditations and for our actual Fit Studio accountability group. And then this one is for nutrition and for tracking and all of the course materials and all of that stuff, and we will dive into it. But let's look at workouts first. So if you go over to the program tab right here, you can see all the different ones we have, and they categorize them first in alphabetical order to make life easy, but then by weight loss, strength training, lean and sculpted, cardio, low impact, yoga, dance. There's tons and tons in here. But let's look at the one I'm currently doing, because the thing I love most about this is you're not just doing the same workout over and over again. Every single day is different. So if you go to the workout tab, you can click any of these and it'll be 100% guided. So let's look at cardio for a second, just so you get an idea of what it's like to do a workout. And there is a free sample workout on my blog if you want to try it out and get all of the good sweat going. But as you can see, there's my trainer, and she takes you through the whole thing. You just have to follow along with her in the cast. And then after your workout, you can go, oh, it's trying to get me to log in already. You go over here and you can track it. So you saw that little window popped up, but I already tracked my workout today. But that window will pop up after you're done. So you can log your workout. You can also log your Shakeology, which are these shakes that you see me drink every single day. This one's peppermint mocha and my favorite. But you can log all of your stuff here and it'll automatically upload to the Vitality Fit Studio, which is our accountability group. So every single day you get to not just work out for yourself, but inspire, motivate other people to do the same. So everybody posts their sweaty selfie in here. There's mine with my shake. Some people will post their meditations in here. Others will just do a sweaty selfie. But it's just a place to get some good vibes going and see that you're not the only one practicing self-care and taking care of yourself. And I love coming in here every day and seeing everybody freaking crushing their goals. So that's the Fit Studio. And then when you go over to the nutrition app, which I love because it's a tracker, a nutrition course, and a recipe book all in one. And what I really love about the tracker is it's not based on calories or macros or measuring anything. You're literally just writing down whatever you eat. So for example, for lunch, if I'm planning to have a salad, I just write that. And the whole idea behind this is you're being more accountable to what you're putting in your body, but you're also learning what works best for you. So that's the tracking portion of it, and it goes along with our nutrition courses. Luckily, you get access to both of these courses when you enroll, but my favorite and what I recommend most to people is 2B Mindset, because it's focusing on intuitive eating and your mentality around food. And it's very similar to the workouts. It's just a bunch of videos that you can watch going over everything from the basics of nutrition, how to log your food like you just saw I did, how to eat out, changing your mindset, how to organize your kitchen, how to grocery shop. Everything you need is there. And then lastly, we have this recipe tab. And the really nice thing is it's organized by either your main ingredient, so you can look in your fridge and see what you have, or you can organize by what meal you're having, even the season or the cuisine. And there's so many good recipes in here, so you are never running out of healthy options. And that's basically everything that's included on the virtual side of the Fit Studio. Now let's go to the kitchen so I can show you everything else you're going to get. Of course, my little dog Nala has to make a cameo. Can you say hi? Anyways, this is all of the physical stuff included with the Fit Studio. So you're gonna get this shake that you see me drinking. And the great thing is, it's not just a protein shake, it is a superfood shake. So there's tons of stuff in here like ashwagandha, maca, green tea, protein, probiotics, adaptogens. Literally everything that you see on a whole food shelf is basically in this box. And it tastes like peppermint mocha. It is amazing. And there's tons and tons of flavors like chocolate, vanilla, but peppermint mocha is my favorite. And then my other favorite thing that's included in the deluxe pack is this little can right here. It is magic in a cup. Energize is an all-natural pre-workout, so there's nothing that's gonna make you jittery and crash. I know I used to take a lot of pre-workouts that did that. This has 4 ingredients and it's all natural and tastes amazing. The mixed berry is my absolute favorite, but if you like sour stuff, highly recommend the lemon. And then the other 2 things that are included in the mega pack, which again, highly recommend because these save me all the time. Beach bars, they're a high fiber, high protein snack, and literally it tastes like a candy bar, and it makes it so easy to eat healthy, whether I'm rushing out the door in the morning and need a quick breakfast, or if we're gonna be on the road for a really long time, I always have one of these in my purse, and they're jumping out at me now because they're that freaking good. So I always have one of those. And then the other thing that's included in the mega pack, which I take every single day, is collagen. And the reason I love this collagen is because it's a very, very tiny amount. It's not like the collagens where you have to have a huge scoop, almost like a protein scoop. This is super duper tiny. It's maybe a tablespoon and it completely dissolves 100%. You don't even notice it, but it gives you that glowing skin and long hair and long nails and all those things that you want. So that's all the supplements that's included, and it depends on which package you get. But regardless of whatever you sign up with, one thing that you're going to get included, which I found really helpful when I first started my journey, is this tracker. So this is also available on the nutrition app that I showed you, but this is a physical copy of it that you can throw in your bag so that way you can track breakfast, lunch, dinner, your workouts, your water, all of that stuff that you need to track with the 2B mindset. You get the physical tracker for it. So you're literally getting everything you need with the Fit Studio, your fitness, your nutrition, your supplements, me as a coach, a community to support you, everything you need to succeed. And that's your Fit Studio tour. So if you are a new client, I wanna say welcome. I'm so excited you're here. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to DM me, or we could talk about them during our one-on-one call when we get you all set up. And if you're somebody looking into the Fit Studio, you are more than welcome to send me a message. I will help you figure out which package. And remember, they are for an entire year. So that price you see is annual. It's a one-time investment in yourself, and it's one of the best investments you can make. I can't even begin to tell you how much focusing on my self-care every single day has changed every aspect of my life, and that's why I made it my career, because I want to help as many women as possible step into their power, feel confident, and change the effing world. So if you are ready to take that next step, pick your package, send me a DM if you need help, and I will see you in the Fit Studio.